Okay, so I am going to go over Flip Quiz with you really quick. It's a really easy and simple way to review topics and lessons with your students in class to keep them engaged. So this is just the homepage that you'd come to if you type in flipquiz.me. It'll bring you here. Right now I'm logged into my account, and you can set up a free account super easily, and I would highly recommend that so you're able to save your quizzes for the future. So over here you see that you can make a new board or you can go to your current boards. So right now we're going to head over to a new board so I can walk you through it. So you'll want to give your board a name so you can differentiate your quizzes. So for my lesson, my class is going to be reading Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So we'll go ahead and insert that here and save and continue. And then it will bring you here where you have all the different categories that you can name. So they give you an option of 6 different categories, and if you don't want all of them, then you can take away some of them. So you'll just go ahead and type in the categories. So I'm just going to fill in the first couple. Really simple. And then you can go ahead and scroll down and insert your questions. I think it allows up to 6 questions, I believe, 5 or 6 questions. So you can go ahead and type in a simple question. So, who is the girl that visits the home of the Three Bears? Go ahead and put in Goldilocks, and then you can insert more questions that you have, and you can do that for each category as well. As soon as you're done doing that, you'll go ahead and click Save and Finish. I'll bring you over here to one that I've already done. So it's really simple. Sorry, let me do this again. So it will bring you to the boards that you have created. Right here we're going to go ahead and click Play on Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And here it has my questions for each category. For my lesson, I'm going to do probably 3 to 4 questions for each category, but right now I just did a simplified version. And I have my 6 categories here, and so you can go ahead and have your students pick which category they want and which point value. The more questions you have, the different values of points there are. So if you have 4 questions, you'll have 100, 200, 300, and 400. But since I only have 1 question per category, it just shows up like this. So let's say a child picks what for 100. You can go ahead and click on it, and it will maximize the view of this question, which says, what did Mama Bear make for breakfast? So you can allow your students time to answer that, and you can give them as much time or as little time as you'd like. And then you click Reveal Answer, and it shows you your answer. And you can go ahead and exit out of it, and then it will disappear so that you don't have to worry about clicking the same one again. So then you can just go through each question or restart the game if you need to for whatever reason. But overall, it's very simple, very easy to use, and a great way to keep your students engaged rather than just doing a worksheet or a lecture review. So I'd highly recommend this, and it's really fun for the students and the teacher.